Here's your midday update, starting with the ES, the E-mini S&P 500. Opened the day with early strength and got into the 1798s, but couldn't push beyond that level. A break back below those important 1795s, which has been our key level, paved the way to new lows. Recently, we couldn't get back above 93s, and again, dumped to new lows. 87.5 is the new low. The two downside targets I gave pre-market were the 92 halves and 89 quarters. Both of those have been hit. Now the only target I have left is an extended to the downside at 86 quarter. We're about a half point off that level from the lows of the day. I still think we're working down toward lows, and until we can break back above 93 and especially convert that 95, I think we're headed downward. The big key level that I talked about more on a swing basis is at 84 half. 1784 half is the monthly pivot point, and getting into that zone and find buyers somewhere in that area could offer a nice swing buying opportunity. Obviously, we have to see the volume come in at that zone, but right now we're starting to see a pullback that could materialize into much more weakness. You're looking at this 1800 level right here, big time level. Also these 1795s. That was the zone that I thought the market had to hold. If it didn't, we would likely test those 84 halves, followed by a potential test down into that 1775 zone, which I think is the biggest area of support on the chart right now. We break back below 1775s, it could get ugly. So right now, that's the area that needs to hold. I'd say 84 half, 1775, those are the key levels above or below, and obviously we have to break back above those 95s and especially 1800 to get this trend going higher. We've seen it happen before, but right now we still haven't seen that blow off bottom just yet. See, looking at the NQ right now, NQ, this one got a very solid move lower. You know, this was one where we were putting in some tails up here in the 86 to 89 zone. I put out that alert early on, said if we can't get through that zone, look for a push down into 65s or new lows, and then 65 would be the target. Right now we have a measured move that gets us about 62.75, and the primary downside target on the day is 65 quarter. We're very close to reaching that now. Again, if price can't get back above 75s and convert 75 to 78, I think we're still headed lower to the downside toward that target of 65 quarter, followed by a full range target potentially at 57 half. Taking a look at crude oil now. Wow, what a day for crude oil. This one right here, you can see some fibs I had up initially. Nothing is stopping this one. This one just continues to push higher. Breaking above those 94s was very important. And that's what I said early on. Hey, this looks a little fishy. We had 93.20 as a key level. We pushed back into the range and we could not get back below 92 halves. Holding at 94, I said we can't break down below those 93.20s again. That could offer a buy opportunity. Instead, they got to about a low of 93.67 and rocketed higher, breaking above those 94 quarters and rallying up above 96s. Now, what's important about this is 95.70 has been a big time area of resistance, and this is the first time we've broken above that zone for a full month. So 96 remains the major level on a swing basis. On a continuous contract basis, 96 remains the big time level. So if price can't get above 96s, this could be a big time swing short. But right now, the way that they've lifted off, the way that they trap shorts down here below 93.20s, this looks bullish. This looks really bullish. I'd say if we get a pullback that honors somewhere above 94.50, this could be a huge swing rally to the upside. So this is a big time zone right now. We've surpassed all the key levels for today in crude oil. As a matter of fact, we have a range right now. 96.14 is the high, 93.67 is the low. That's 2.47 points on the day. It's been averaging 1.5, so this far surpasses the average. Just a big day for crude oil, and I hesitate shorting it right now until we can break back below those 95.60s and especially 95.50. That's the key zone right there. So further overall strength right now until proven otherwise, but 96s are indeed the key level in the chart. And as you can see, the market is stalled in this zone. So continue to watch this area very closely, 95.60, 96.25. That's all for right now. We'll see how it plays out heading into the rest of the day.